Yo, we back with another video.
And today we have a sneaker ship out. So let's get into the video. So right here, these are the Air Jordan 5 Red Suede, and they came out in 2017. So before I even started the process of shipping out the shoe, I went ahead and sprayed down the shoe with some repellent to stop the water from getting on them. I never do this, so whoever shoe this is, they just got lucky. So now I would just get a little suede brush like this and make sure that it actually gets into the suede. It's not just sitting on top. So now that we got that done, we can actually go ahead and put the plastic wrap on the shoe. I have a little station where I can put the plastic wrap on it and it'll seal it, but I wanted to make sure I showed y'all how I got the plastic wrap to look so good on the shoe. So I'm gonna let this finish up and let y'all listen to the ASMR on these actually being done.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now look at that, one down, one more to go. So now that we got that done, I'm gonna get them in this little plastic bag wrap. This is actually my first time doing this. This is one of the cheapest ways to get shoes shipped out. So I just put y'all on game. I get the business cards, can never forget that. Put that in there, get it sealed up, and now it's off to the post office.
Okay, so I got asked, where do I get these plastic wraps from? I'm gonna show you right here. So you finna go to Amazon, right? And you're gonna type this in. You're gonna type in shoe shrink wrap bag. Boom. All right. From there, you're gonna click this one. I mean, I have the 12 by 17, but I guess they don't do that. So you're gonna go get the 11 by 18, 100 bags, $18. That's it.